Okay, well, hello everyone. This has been the third and final day in our series of videos for the IAOB SMMT YouTube channel. So we've had an amazing day. We've been here at Gonvarri in Portugal and they've been hosting us. So I'd like to say a really big thank you to Anna for doing that. So Anna, if you'd like to tell us a bit about who you are in terms of an organisation. Yep.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm HR responsible here at Gonvarri Portugal. Gonvarri Portugal is here for over 30 years. We are part of a Spanish group that is Gonvarri Industries that has over 50 factories worldwide. We are growing. Our business is cut to mill, and we were very happy to have here with us Stephen and Paul. That's not here right now, to do these videos.
Okay. And then I'd also like to thank Raquel. So Raquel, you're from OPCO.
Yes.
So thank you very much for organising the whole event, the whole 3 days. And I don't know if you want to say a bit about
Of course.
OPCO and who you are.
Of course. First of all, thank you so much for choosing our country to this series of videos. We are very happy as OPCO to contribute to this. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for all of this. And thank you so much also for receiving us. And yeah, thank you.
Okay. Oh, brilliant. So I'd also like to say a big thank you to Paul Hardiman this week, who's been with us on the videos, and also to the REAS crew who've been filming all of this. So again, a massive thank you to everyone who's participated in the last 3 days. Thank you very much. And I hope you enjoy, and I hope you get some sort of learning experience out of the videos. So again, signing off and saying thank you to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.